residents of Tshwane, as part of the cleanup in Marabastad, we have to make sure we enforce our bylaws. But remember, we are also reclaiming property of the city. This small market is the property of the city. It was leased to somebody, and that person sublet to all these guys that are here. As a result, everyone who's operating at the market has no license to trade there, and they don't have the health certificate required for them to sell fruit and vegetables. We came in the morning, we closed them down, and we explained the reason why we closed them down. But for whatever reason, they opened again. But what we want to say is that for people who want to trade the fruit and veggies, please go to our LED office in Tshwane House or in Middlestad to check if you qualify to list this, because we're going to revoke our license and the lease agreement from the person that we have a lease with, because they contravene the lease agreement that we have. But here is the thing, we said we're doing this for SMMEs and informal traders as Tshwane. So Bantu Basetshwane, please go to our offices, apply to lease this property. There is no renovations that are necessary here. This property is perfect. All you need to do, go to our office and produce your documents and apply to lease this. We're doing this so that these opportunities can be used by you. The people that have hijacked this building, we hear that there was even a Nigerian that came earlier, or there's Somalis and Pakistanis that do not want the place to be closed. We've never signed a lease agreement with those people. So we're taking our property, but it can't be for nothing. It must be for you, the people of Tshwane. So residents of Tshwane, we were here a couple of months ago. We closed down this market because none of the traders were complying. They took us to court. The court gave us directives in terms of how we must work together. All of them have been trained. All of them have received their certificate of acceptability. They are waiting for their trading licenses. And all of them, if you were to see each and every store here, there is order, it is clean, they have first aid kits, they are complying. And that's all we are asking for residents of Tshwane. We are not here to kill businesses, but we are saying all the businesses that are operating in the city, they must comply, because if they don't comply, we are unable to protect our citizens who are their clients. We are very happy. We have met each and every store owner here, and they are happy. They were giving us feedback in terms of the training that they undertook. So MMC, I think the message can go out to the public that we were not killing this business or this sector. We just wanted to strengthen them by making sure that they are spoken for business, and they want all people who want to trade, they must make sure that they do. Our office